Today we're talking about the Handi Beam Glasses, also known as Handi Beam. This product is marketed as a rechargeable LED headlight glasses system designed to give you hands-free visibility in low-light conditions. According to the website, it features both COB and XTE lighting modes, adjustable brightness, USB-C charging, an 800 mAh battery, IPX4 water resistance, and a lightweight ABS frame that's meant to be comfortable and durable. The idea is simple. Instead of holding a flashlight or wearing a headlamp, you just put on these glasses and get straight to work. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now let's talk about some of the unrealistic or questionable claims. The product description uses phrases like "built for the job" and "designed for visibility, safety, and performance." While those phrases sound impressive, they are very vague. There are no measurable performance details provided, such as the exact lumens output, beam distance, battery cycle lifespan, or any safety certifications. When it comes to lighting equipment, especially something meant for work or safety, professional products usually list specific technical data. Without those numbers, it's difficult to evaluate how powerful or reliable these glasses actually are. The absence of clear specifications weakens the credibility of the performance claims being made. Next, let's look at the terms of service. The website includes statements like, "We do not warrant that the quality of any products, services, information, or other material purchased or obtained by you will meet your expectations." It also says they do not guarantee that the service will be uninterrupted, secure, or error-free, and they do not warrant that results obtained from using the service will be accurate or reliable. While many websites include legal disclaimers, the wording here is broad and strongly limits responsibility. Essentially, they are saying they cannot guarantee product quality or reliability, which may raise concerns for buyers expecting a dependable product. Another concern is the lack of transparent contact information. The website does not clearly provide a customer service email address, phone number, or physical business location. When a company does not openly share ways to contact them, it becomes harder for customers to resolve issues, request refunds, or ask questions. Transparency is important in online shopping, and the absence of clear contact details can be a red flag. Finally, there is a significant price difference to consider. Similar versions of this product appear to be available on Alibaba for around $5, while the website sells it for $39.99. That is a major markup. This suggests the website may be using a dropshipping model, where they purchase the item at a low cost from a supplier only after a customer places an order, and then sell it at a higher price for profit. Dropshipping itself is not unusual and is widely used in e-commerce. However, in this case, the higher price does not seem to come with added value, such as faster shipping, improved quality control, or enhanced customer service. As a result, customers may be paying much more for essentially the same product. In conclusion, while Handi Beam Glasses may not necessarily be a 100% scam, the product and website do raise several serious concerns. From vague performance claims and strong liability disclaimers to missing contact details and significant price markups, there are multiple factors that buyers should carefully consider. It's always advised to do your own research, compare prices, and proceed with caution before making a purchase. Stay informed and shop wisely.